welcome. I won't take much time because I know there are classes on. In the introduction and the speeches I have heard thanking me, I just want to do a small correction. Whatever the MP-led fund has been used for purchasing this bus, I want especially the students to know that this money belongs to your parents, all the taxpayers. I have not done any favor. It's not from my pocket. Generally you will hear, Ame dila, I have donated. No, sorry. This belongs to all the taxpayers. My duty was to just ensure that the funds are used in a particular manner that benefits your future and the future of the state and future of the country. From the time you all sent me to Parliament, the focus of my team, that also includes my friend Vivekanand who has been there, we have been focusing generally on education. Because education forms the foundation of any good society. Today, if we criticize or if we find faults in public servant, public governance or the government, somewhere we ourselves have also failed. So that is why our focus has been on education. And I request the students, please make use of the bus. Don't think that your member of parliament has given, your parents have contributed. So why I am saying is, if you are trying to tear the seat or tear the covers, you all should know you are going to tear something what your parents have contributed. And I want you all to study well. You have to make your teachers, your school proud and your parents proud. Someday your parents have to feel proud and say, my child studied well, reached so and so heights, achieved so and so success. Will you all do that? I want to hear from the students. Yeah? And when you all achieve that success and goal, you all have to visit this school and you all have to ensure that you help out this school in growing it much bigger. Are you all promising that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, thank you, teachers. I want to thank our manager also, Father Roland, Father Peter also, Ma'am Sandra, because she had come all the way to say, you know, we need this bus. And the management, and after that, a Congress bloc kept pushing me. Can I get a bus? Can I get a call from Mr. Solan and Keith once in a while? So the pressure was always on. So thank you very much. All the very best. And I also want one small advice to the students, which I always do. I always break the protocol and I tell that when you grow up, and your parents, especially advice to the parents, we always think, engineer, lawyer, there are other professions. There are so many other professions. Today, the world has opened up, the economy has opened up. Opportunities are so many. But don't forget, there's also one more profession, and that is the armed forces. When my mother advised me to join, we were 3 brothers, I was the youngest, and she said, I want at least one son to be in uniform. And I asked my mother, why me? 2 brothers have gone abroad, I have to join them. She said, no, if all go, पैसे थोडं काम करा, आमच्या देशाचं security कोण करतलो? I went and I never regretted. My parents are not there today, but I am very grateful to them. And if parents are scared, घॅर जातले आणि आमच्या भुरग्यांक कितें जायत जाल्यार, I always say, a soldier never dies. You name one soldier who has died in this world fighting a war. Soldiers never die, they become martyrs, they live forever. And that is why you will have seen there is a monument at Azad Maidan, and there is a monument in Delhi and so many other states Amar Jawan Jyoti. You all have seen that? And there is a torch which is always lit up. That shows that they are martyrs, they have never died, they live forever. So this is a request for you, think of armed forces also as a profession. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
कुरपेचो पावस जातलो, बरेपणाचो पावस जातलो. तो पावस म्हणल्यार आमचे MLA बेन्सिविक आसा कडल्यान आमचे इस्कॉलाक नवे दिश्ट आयली, नवो आकार आयलो, नवे दिसले इस्कॉलांचे. आनी जायत्या वर्सांचें सपन इस्कॉलाक बॉस जाय तें सपन आनी ते कुरपेचो पावस आमच्या इस्कॉलाचेर आमचे MP विर्यातू फेर्नांडीस ओतोवसो केलो. देखून म्हजे काळजांतल्यान तुका दिनवास. ताचे बरोबर वावुरले जशें आमची भयणी सरपंचान सेंद्रान सांगलां की ताणी कोण तो सोलन तुमकांय म्हजे दिनवास. सेंद्राक म्हणलें तेन्ना दोगांयनी आमी आमच्या इस्कॉलाचे भाशेक लागून तें पळोवया. सगळीं भुरगीं म्हणटालीं आमचीं भुरगीं खेळशेर येतात, आमचीं भुरगीं सेंट पायस ओर्लीर येतात. अरे 5वीक म्हाका आयल्यार 5 वर्सां पयलीं तेन्ना ताका म्हणटा एक युनिफॉर्म दिता हांव तुका फ्री दिता, तूं आमच्या इस्कॉलांत यो म्हणून. बॉस नाका तर म्हणटाली. पण आतां सांगता हांव, आतां तूं 5 इयर आहा जाल्यार यो आमच्या इस्कॉलाक बसा, लोबी बसा, बरी दिसता तुमी बसा म्हणटा. हें सगळें घडोवन येवन सोलनान आनी कितान आमचे सरपंचान 5 मेंबरांनी वावुरले. देखून हे आमच्या बाबान ते आमचें सपन घडोवन येवचें केलें. जेजूच्या काळजान आमच्या इस्कॉलाची भरपूर खूब पावतली. जशें कॅप्टन विर्याटून सांगलां आमच्या भुरग्यांक तुमी बरें शिकचें, बरें शिकचें. आनी जसो तो आमी तालो तसो ही सपनां आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या मना काळजांत येवची. सादें सपन न्हय, बोटीचेर वचपाचें न्हय, आयलंडाक इंग्लंडाक वचपाचें न्हय, पण आमच्या देशांत रावून आमच्या देशाची सेवा चाकरी करपाचें मन आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या काळजा मनांत रेगचें म्हणून ही संदी हांव घेता. आनी आयच्या दिसा हो सुवाळो करता तेन्ना आमची नवी बसीचे उक्तावणेचो देवान आमच्या इस्कॉलाची, आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर, टिचरीचेर, सगळींची वावुरल्यात तांचेर. भोव करून आमच्या कॅप्टन विर्याटूचेर, ताच्या बऱ्या मनाचेर, सहकाराचेर, वावराचेर देवाचो आशिर्वाद घालचो. जरूय तुवें म्हणलां पयशे आमचेच पूण ते भुरग्यांक बरें सांगलां तुवें पिजे नाकात म्हणून तें, तरी पूण तें घडोवन येवचें केलें तुवें. ते कोण कोरिना जाल्यार ती पावची ना आनी बॉसाक. तूं केलें देखून, तुवें फुडें गेलें देखून, आनी तुज्या फाटल्यान ते 2 जाण आहले देखून तांच्या फोर्साचेर तुवें केलें आनी आमकां ती बॉस मेळची. चडांत चड देव खूब बरें करूं. हांव आसो तुका उपकारी हांव, कित्याक आमच्या इस्कॉलाक ही बॉस मेळ्ळी देखून ताकाय उपकारी. आमचे MLA आमच्या इस्कॉलाक नवो आकार दिलो देखून. आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक टिचरीक, हेडमिस्ट्रीक, आमच्या भुरग्यांक, सगळ्या कानागासोराचेर आसल्या सगळ्या मानादीक पावण्यांक म्हज्या काळजांतल्यान दिनवास.
21. Firstly, on behalf of the Village Panchayat of Karmana, I would like to thank all the distinguished guests who are present here for this special occasion today. My heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable MP. Although he says that we should not thank him, but at the same time, I would suggest and I would say that I am thanking you, Captain, is simply because when Keith, Solan, myself, we came to your office with this proposal of a school bus, with the guidance of Father Roland and Madam Aminta, I took a letter, and along with me, I took Mr. Keith Gracious and Solan, just to put some weight because they are from the Congress bloc. Let me be very clear on this. And that is the reason why I took. But, Captain, don't say that I have doubted you, no ways. But still, I thought this would be a wise thing to take these pillars up there so that they can pursue with the matter later. And which you have done. And I have also troubled Solan many a times. Solan, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, on behalf of my panchayat, I have thanked captain. But don't, captain, when you go elsewhere, say it is your duty. We know it is your duty, but you are performing it to the best. For that I am thanking you. And congratulations to the management of the school, to the staff, to the PTA for achieving this, which was a dream of Madam Aminta. She always said, "Ekut jai, bas yeopa jai. Iskol jale, sagle jale, bas yeopa jai." So, Madam, thank you also because you have done it for our school. Thank you to all my distinguished guests here, and may God bless you all.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.